Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good and keeping safe and having a blessed day. I just wanted to show you what I was having for dinner tonight. Made some tacos and some pasta using the same meat sauce. I have some ground beef here with some tomato sauce, pasta sauce, onions, scallion, thyme. My 12-year-old loves tacos, so he'll be eating the hard shell tacos. My 2-year-old son will be eating pasta because he won't be able to eat the hard shell, so. And I'm having myself some pasta. Maybe later on I'll have myself a soft taco. But yeah, using the same meat for two different kind of meals works out perfect, so I don't have to cook two separate meals, period. Easy, simple meal prep. Okay guys, just thought I'd share it with you guys. Keep safe and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a blessed day.